Hola, and welcome back to Kim at Home. So as my quick outdoor project, what I was going to do really quick in the front is there are some pebbles over here that need replaced. I didn't want to go buy the pebbles. So what I did was I found some rocks on our property down there. I put them in this bucket because there's a bunch of snakes down there, and I'm cleaning them off, and then I'm going to put the rocks over there. In today's video, we're going to do some planting and some deep cleaning. Okay, I am washing down the walls. The walls in my kitchen have been completely and utterly disgusting, so I need to handle that. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I'm Kim, K-Y-M. I do videos pertaining to home life, so that is cooking, cleaning, repairs, DIYs, projects, all of that great stuff. If that sounds like something that you're interested in, please do not forget to hit subscribe on your way out. Show the like button some love as well. That way YouTube will push my videos out. Let me know below in the comments what you're working on and what you have planned for the summer. I have a whole bunch of plans set in place, so we will see exactly what it is that I get done. I have been working on my patio, so hopefully we'll be getting a fence for that soon. I'm excited to see these flowers bloom. This is my chaos gardening that I did this year. When I realized that was an actual thing, I was like, okay, because that is my style, okay? Chaotically organized. These are going in the back on the patio. Ooh, look at my roses blooming. These are so pretty. These ones have not quite bloomed yet. At the time that I'm doing this, it's about 10 a.m. It's already 76 degrees outside. I am burning up, so my time is limited. I wanted to do way more out here than what I got accomplished, but it's too hot. By the time I was finished, I was soaking wet, and I just needed to get in the shower to wash from head to toe, literally. At some point, I'm going to invest in a hedger because one thing that I noticed is when they come to treat our lawn, they have not been like trimming up anything. And I don't know if it's because we extended the patio and they don't know if they should or not, which is fine. We can do it ourselves, but I definitely need to get one soon. I know a lot of you were concerned that I didn't put a protective barrier down before I put the rocks down. There was a reason for that. Just keep in mind that people do things in their homes for specific reasons that may not be public knowledge. So no, we don't have a protective barrier. Are there a lot of weeds? Not really. Not at all whatsoever. You just saw what I took out. I just sprinkled a little bit of diatomaceous earth down in the rocks to keep the bugs away. Moving right along to my kitchen, I'm going to put in some liners in my cabinets and my drawers. Not all of them, just some of them. I am not going to like put the peel and stick on the actual cabinet because I change things around too much and I might want to change it one day. So I just want to be able to take it in and out. And the first thing that I need to do is get it vacuumed out and wiped out. I'm using the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant.
But this was me before you. Ain't nothing to start over. Hold me on a new vibe. She blowing my high. Gotta recalibrate my sundial. Yeah. Reset.
I like this. I think it's really pretty, and I want to make sure I put this in any drawer or cabinet that has something that could possibly damage the drawer or cabinet. My kitchen was fully gutted and remodeled in 2019. I want to preserve these cabinets for as long as possible. We've lived here now for 5 years, and eventually we want to sell our home. The property value has doubled in price, and I'm doing all kinds of things within the home. So hopefully when that time comes, we will definitely get a good deal.
Can't forget I made the move to move on. PCH to the Potomac River. Take a break, recalibrate, forgive her. Trip the road from Stockton to Stockholm. Yeah. Peace and grace to travel safe through time zones. Adjust my clock like day, life savings, next era unlocked. And I ain't playing about me. You think I'm acting brand new? for you. Ain't nothing to start over. Hold me on a new vibe.
What matters is that everything is clean and everything is wiped down and my drawers and my cabinets are protected. It doesn't need to be perfect. Here is the setup. It's crazy to me how much crumbs and debris can actually get in your drawers while you are just opening them to take out utensils. It's a real thing. I read this quote that says, if you don't like something, change it. And if you can't change it, change your attitude. I know that sounds cliche, but it's no different than tricking your mind to be more positive. We definitely have to trick our minds to be more positive for the simple fact that we walk around in this world and everything around us that we see, including the news, which is why I do not watch it, is extremely negative. Spend 7 days pouring love within yourself, talking nicely to yourself, saying your affirmations, and see how your outlook and your attitude changes. Being on a journey to better yourself takes a lot of work, but guess what? You are worth it. The more work you put in, the sooner it will happen. So just try it. You definitely have nothing to lose. I try to do a really good job keeping up with like those types of drawers. Those are probably the only drawers in my house that are organized, but this is all I have gotten rid of out of those drawers. As you can see down here, that's all breadcrumbs. Let's check this out. This is the behind the scene. I put my toaster over here so that I can try to get as many crumbs out as possible, but I'm gonna go ahead and get everything vacuumed up in that cabinet space first. I'm gonna be honest with you, them toaster crumbs are annoying. It makes me just wanna throw the toaster away, and I always tell my family, be sure to dump the crumbs out. One thing I've learned that's worked for me is putting those lids in some sort of container. That way I can make sure that they are not gonna get lost. There has to be an easier way to dump the crumbs out besides shaking it to death. You know what I'm saying? Like, I just don't understand. I felt like I was shaking it forever. Nice and clean, just how I like it. The next thing that I need to do is dust. You guys, these walls are so dusty. Let me turn this light on. I know it's hard to tell because my walls are platinum, but it's dusty as heck, okay? So these need dusted. When I tell you these walls definitely need more than dusting, honey, they need a healing, a miracle, and a prayer because they are a hot mess express. If only you could really see what it looks like, but the camera doesn't pick that up. Let me know how often you wash your walls down in your kitchen. I just literally unalived a spider from behind that little DIY station right there and just walked into a spider web. So it looks like the spiders are winning. I'm about to put my vinegar trick down and use my diatomaceous earth for inside the house as well, just to be sure that they ain't trying to make no home here, because we don't do those things, okay? There will not be any bugs if I could help it in my home. I don't do bugs at all, especially spiders. I'm going to fill up the bowl with some yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant, and I bet I will probably have to like dump this bowl about 5 times. The walls in here have been dusted, but they're really, really dirty, so I need to definitely wipe them down. It's the kitchen. I should wipe them down way more often than I do, but you know, it is what it is. We get busy, right?
I'm going deeper. Oh, can you hear my prayer? Tell me, are you there? Who's gonna love me the right way? You're the only one that knows my heart. It's understandable. It's irreplaceable love. Now I'm head underwater, just trying to reach for the sun. It's understandable.
Check out how dirty this cleaning cloth is. I told you my walls was dirty, y'all.
Do you show up? Do you show up? Oh, it hurts every step of the way. Tell me that you have a plan for me. 'Cause I think I need somebody to love me, to love me, to love me the way only you do. I wanna go higher, but I'm going deeper. Oh, can you hear my breath? Tell me, are you there? Who's gonna love me the right way? You're the only one that guides my heart. It's understandable. It's irreplaceable love. Now I'm head underwater, just trying to reach for the sun. It's understandable. It's irreplaceable love. And I will keep swimming till you show up. Till you show
This is everything that I got rid of from the cabinets.
You've always felt like a part of you has gone missing. I know it's real, but I'm telling you, it's closer than you know. I'm really trying to keep it cool now. Don't you see that you're a fool? Oh, it's time to open your eyes and let go.
Now that the walls are clean, it's time to tackle the actual cabinets, and I'm doing the same thing. I'm just going to clean them off with the yellow Mr. Clean disinfectant. I will say the cabinets get cleaned way more often than the walls, so they're not that dirty at all.
The stories you've heard could be you and I. Hey, let me explain, get to the reason why it's not us. You know there's no one else than me you trust. You know it's truth deep inside. Won't you let it go? I'm sick and tired of seeing you in pain. Your head's in a haze. Won't you lean on me? I'll catch you if you fall, so take a leap of faith.
We've cleaned the walls, we've cleaned the cabinets, the countertops, and now we are going to begin cleaning the bottom cabinets. Now, when you're cleaning, you always want to start at the top and work your way down. Dirt falls. Wait till you see how dirty my floors are.
I'm standing on a cliff side while you tumble way below the waves. Undercurrent pulls you in. I try to guide you out to calm waters. Just give me your word. Oh, we gotta let go.
you so much for spending time with me today and taking out the time to watch my video. I truly appreciate you more than you could ever imagine. Let me tell you something about a YouTuber. If you support them by watching their videos, that goes a long way. And I'm just very grateful and thankful for you. And I hope that you know that you are important, you are needed, you are loved, and you are worthy. I'm using this good old Shark vac mop to get these floors together, and then I'm gonna go over top of that and mop again because the floors were a hot mess. We do mop our floors twice a week, but they've just been attracting a lot of dirt lately. Not really sure why, but it probably has everything to do with me dusting and scrubbing the walls down and everything falling to the ground.
What can I do? Can play by your rules. I break when I bend over backwards for you. If there's a way to get you to change, I won't be around anymore anyway. Merry-go round with you. In and out, then up and down, down, down. It's getting old, going around with you. Think I need some solid ground. Merry-go.
Since my feather duster was already out, I decided that I wanted to go ahead and dust some areas of my home, like the living room and the hallway. And then I took a look in that mirror right there and said, girl, you know you are tired. Why are you trying to overdo it and do the most? Okay, you never cleaned several rooms within one sitting. You split it up. So go sit down. I'm serious. Not to mention I was outside sweating like something I'm not allowed to say on YouTube. Thank you again for being here. I appreciate you. I hope all of you have an amazing week.
But what if I change? Would you stay through the pain while I grow? Merry-go round with you. In and out.